Exercise 4.3 question number 6. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, express this information in the form of an equation in two variables, and also draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also read from the graph the work done when the distance travelled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. In this question we are given that work done by a body is directly proportional to the constant force applied on it, and the constant force is also given as 5 units. We have to express this information in the form of a linear equation in two variables, and then we have to draw the graph of it, and from the graph we have to also read the work done when the distance travelled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. In this question constant force is given. So let us suppose that distance travelled by the body be x units and the work done by the body be y units. So let the distance travelled be x units and the work done by the body be y units. Here we are not considering the proper units for distance travelled and the work done, because unit of work done will depend on the unit of force and the distance travelled. Constant force is given 5 units. So therefore we have work done by a body is equal to force applied on the body into distance travelled by the body. Work done we are going to denote by y, and the force applied is already given 5 units, and distance travelled we will denote by x. So this can be written as work done y is equal to constant force 5 into distance travelled x units. So this implies y is equal to 5x. Now on transposing y from left side to right side, we can write 0 equal to 5x minus y. Now interchanging the sides, we can write this equation as 5x minus y is equal to 0. And now this is going to be the required linear equation in two variables which represent this given information in the question. So this is the required equation, 5x minus y is equal to 0. Now we have to draw graph of this linear equation. 5x minus y is equal to 0. To draw graph of this linear equation, we need to write some solutions in a table, writing values of x, writing values of y. So let us write some solutions in the table like this. So we have written 3 solutions in this table of linear equation 5x minus y equal to 0. Now we shall plot these points 0, 0, 2, 10 and 3, 15 on a graph paper. So take a graph paper, draw coordinate axes, and on x-axis you denote distance travelled and on y-axis work done. Also you have to decide a scale on x-axis and also on y-axis depending on this data in the solution table and size of your graph paper. So we have taken here 2 millimeter equal to 1 unit on x-axis and also on y-axis, and we have written on x-axis after every 2 millimeter we have written number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which denote the distances travelled by the body, and on y-axis we have taken a scale 2 millimeter equal to 10 unit. If you are using centimeter graph, then this 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter is written 5 unit of work done. So work done we have written on y-axis like this 5, 10, 15 and so on. On x-axis we have written distances 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So on this graph paper let us plot these points. First point is 0, 0, so which is origin. 0, 0 are coordinates of origin. Next point is 2, 10. So on x-axis 2 is here and 10 is here on y-axis. So let us plot this point 2, 10 and write coordinates 2, 10. Then next point 3, 15. So point 3 is here and 15 you read on the graph paper which point will be 3, 15. So this point, and write coordinates of this point 3, 15. And we have this way plotted 3 points 0, 0, 2, 10 and 3, 15. Now with the help of ruler we shall draw a line joining 3 points.